how you can change matchmaking region in Rainbow Six Siege. In this video, I'll show exactly how you can do it. So let's get started. First, open your File Explorer. Now go to this path, C Drive, then Users, then Documents, then My Games, then Rainbow Six Siege. Here, you will see some folders with random letters and numbers. These are your Ubisoft account profiles. If you used more than one Ubisoft account on your computer, you may see many folders. Delete all these folders, then start the game again. Now you should see only one folder. Open it. Inside, you will see a file called GameSettings.ini. Right-click on it, choose Open With, and select Notepad. Scroll all the way to the bottom. You will see a section that shows all the data center regions. There will be a line that shows your current data center. This is set to default, which means the game picks the best location for you. Change default to the code of the region you want. Now, save the file and close Notepad. Next, open the game again. Press F10 or click the gear icon in the top right corner. Now you can change your data center region anytime after closing the game, and that's it. That's how you can change matchmaking region in Rainbow Six Siege.